for stopping by. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment on this video.
Hi, I am Kirti. Welcome to the Case Time. So for all of you who are struggling with acne, I've got you like four moisturizers and 2 serums for that could help or aid in reduction in your acne or control your acne. Yeah, that's about this video. So without any further ado, let's keep the camera rolling. Remember, first moisturizer which I'm telling you is this Truefella anti-aging cream. I'm really sorry with the condition of this dabba because this moisturizer I've used like way back in the last year. Okay, this is by Truefella anti-aging cream, aloe, saffron and sandalwood. This is really good for oily skin or acne prone skin. This helps in like reduction in acne scars and yeah, this and the small clock for this helps in reduction. Like I've used the whole dabba. This is in the color of light.
Hey hey. Hey hey. Hey hey.
See, I've used the whole dabba, and this is in the color very light sunshine yellow. This has a very lightest of the natural fragrance, not an artificial fragrance. So this is really good for acne prone skin. Like after this lockdown, if you want to get any moisturizer, try using this so good. And the second moisturizer, I'm going to insert the picture here. So yeah, this is the moisturizer from Urban Botanics, which I've spoke a lot on this channel. So yeah, I really like this mattifying moisturizer. This is really good for oily skin. This doesn't do much. It's just a basic moisturizer for your skin if you need it, and it just moisturizes your skin and does nothing more than that. It just moisturizes your skin, a basic moisturizer at an affordable price. Yes, I'm going to insert the prices and everything here. Links in the description box below. Like after the lockdown, if you want to get it, you can get it. And the next moisturizer is from Soultree. This Soultree Nourishing Cream, Saffron and Almond Oil with Natural Vitamin E, dry to normal skin, contains no parabens or SLS or SLES. Okay, this Soultree is a really good brand. Like I really like their products. So one of them is this moisturizer. Only bad thing about this moisturizer is that when you apply this moisturizer, when it's getting into your skin, it makes your skin stiff for around 10 to 20 seconds until it totally gets into your skin. After that, your skin looks mattified and not at all oily. So that is what I really like about this moisturizer. This is white in color, creamy texture. I've used this way back. Whoa. Yeah, a little bit is there. Like this is the texture. This is the texture of this cream. Yeah, I really like this moisturizer for that reason. Like if you have acne prone skin and you don't want your skin to look a little bit greasy or oily, or you don't want that oily touch feel, so this is for you. Like what's the best part about this is smaller variant is also available for 200 or 250 rupees. Like this big one is for 500, smaller one is for 250 rupees. So this is really good if you want to get it. Next moisturizer, which is well spoken by many people, many bloggers here. So that is this Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. Like first thing, this is expensive, ridiculously expensive for the quantity we get. Very light moisturizer. This just does the work. Like if you want a moisturized skin, just moisturize your skin and does nothing more than that. Like what I didn't like about this moisturizer is that this reduced the glow on my skin. Like it took off the glow on my skin. Okay, That's the reason I didn't like, but I've completed using it. Oh yeah, the texture is like water, like literal water. Like when you look at here, like, like it just got into your skin. Like for a basic moisturizer, yeah, this is worth it. But another one which I didn't like about this is like this finishes off like that. Okay, this is ridiculously expensive, and this dabba completes like crazy. Okay, this lasted me just for 1 month or so, which I feel is not worth the price. Like, what do you think? Have you used it? Please tell me in the comment section. And the next comes serums. Okay. First thing is this, of course, Nikki Spot Corrector Vitamin C Serum. Like, this is the first ever skincare video I've ever done. That is the review on this. So I really like this serum, as you all know. Of course, this is vitamin C is the best for acne prone skin, and this is what you need if you have acne prone skin. And the next, I've well spoken about this, so please watch the review on this. I'm gonna link that in the description box below. And the next serum which I've been using at the present moment is this MK Fiends Naked Detox Green Tea Face Serum. Green tea is really good for acne prone skin, so that is the reason I got this serum, and this works fine. Okay, this works fine for your skin. This doesn't break me up because, yeah, whatsoever, this doesn't break me up. And my MK Fin as a brand is a really good brand, and yeah, this has nothing much to rave about, nothing bad to tell about. It's just a decent serum at a decent price range. This is for around 500 rupees, which is great for a face serum. Okay, face serums are expensive. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you do, please hit that like button. Please subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comment section below what other moisturizers has worked for you, or if I've missed out on anything. And please tell me what you feel about this video in the comment section below, and what sort of videos you wanted to watch on this channel. And yeah, and hit that notification bell next to it so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to watch all of my previous videos there, because they're equally fun, and it's quarantine. We are just trying to kill more time, so watch my previous videos. And you know what? Follow me on my Instagram, because there's more stuff, more fun stuff awaited for you on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is on the screen and in the description box below. So, with that being said, I will meet you every Thursday. Bye!